everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will be discussing one of the projects. The project is about integrating ZOHO forms with ZOHO Desk and CRM. Before jumping on to the integration process, let me give you brief information regarding the client's requirements. So the client wanted us to create ZOHO form and embedded the form code on their website. Moreover, as per the client's requirements, ZOHO Form and ZOHO Desk were integrated so that a new ticket would be created whenever a customer filled the form. Lastly, the client wanted that the customers must receive automatic alerts of the same. Now, before getting started with the process I followed, let me introduce you to ZOHO Forms, ZOHO CRM, and ZOHO Desks. ZOHO Forms is an online form builder that makes it simple to construct web forms. With the simple drag and drop form builder, you can create customizable business forms, configure email notifications, and collaborate with your team. Next comes ZOHO CRM. By executing simple computer scripts, ZOHO CRM assists you in updating data in related CRM modules or third-party applications. Set up functions such that the CRM automatically triggers the function and updates the CRM data when specific criteria are met. ZOHO CRM helps reach out to customers through various channels such as email, live chat, or social media. Moreover, users can get real-time reports and insights. Now let's talk about ZOHO Desk. ZOHO Desk is a ZOHO Corporation cloud-based support desk service for enterprises of all sizes. Key elements are customer support, ticket management, a customer support portal, contract administration, and report production. Moreover, it allows you to assign, track, and set up alerts on help desk tickets easily. Now you must be wondering why one needs to create ZOHO form and integrate it with ZOHO Desk. Let me give you an answer for that. By integrating ZOHO Desk with ZOHO CRM, one can take advantage of cross-selling opportunities and return clients to the funnel. This integration will allow agents to see client information taken in from the CRM, such as potentials, notes, and actions. Let me show you how we can create ZOHO forms. A ZOHO form can be easily created by mapping and creating new fields, that is drag and drop. After creating the form, we can easily integrate it with ZOHO Desk. So as you can see, here we have the form in which you have to fill in the required fields such as first name, last name, phone number, email, subject, and more. So after creating the form, we can integrate it with ZOHO Desk. There, one needs to create mappings with form fields and ZOHO Desk fields. So after mapping all the correct fields to each other, then we can integrate and configure the form. Now let's submit this form. As you can see, once you have submitted the form, you can submit another form if any. Now let's check whether the form information has been submitted or not. So as you can see, the form has been created and we have a new ticket on the ZOHO Desk. Also, the information has been submitted correctly. Now let's talk about the benefits of integrating ZOHO CRM and ZOHO Desk. Firstly, by combining ZOHO CRM and ZOHO Desk, you can take advantage of cross-selling. As a result, you'll be able to return customers to the sales funnel and close more deals faster. Also, it becomes easier for sales reps to reply to tickets from within their CRM platform, allowing them to close deals more quickly. Lastly, it provides easier navigation between different platforms. Moving ahead, let me inform you about some of the simple steps associated with integrating ZOHO form with ZOHO Desk. Firstly, you have to create the required set of fields in the ZOHO Desk. After that, you must create a ZOHO form with the help of Form Builder and add the required fields in the form. While doing so, you must make sure that you have the same data type fields in both form and desk. Once you are done with this, you can integrate the form with ZOHO Desk from the integration section. Lastly, you are required to map all the form fields with desk fields and tap on Integrate. Now let me tell you how to sync ZOHO Desk and CRM. For this, the first step should be to enable ZOHO CRM Sync. By doing so, the tickets will be updated in the contact or lead modules. With this, a related list for ZOHO Desk will be created in the CRM. Also, we can easily get access to desk tickets within the CRM platform. The last step in this process is to map all the form fields with desk fields and click Integrate. Are you seeking an integration partner that specializes in implementing enterprise-grade solutions for a wide range of integration requirements? Cloud Analogy, a leading CRM development company, assists businesses in selecting the correct integration solution that can be readily scaled, adapt to changing business requirements, and enable new business models. We deliver best-in-class integration services at Cloud Analogy, focusing on generating new business value and enhancing IT processes. Contact us today.